Marcel.
Hey, Kai, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Paul Canturna of Canturna Real Estate.
Hey, it's a pleasure.
Good to meet you.
And Gustavo Frank of Los Pollos Hermanos.
How many times would they say I'm the smoothest? Truth is I never not moved this way. My trench coat leather, my shoes are suede. Beg you don't step on my Pumas, babe. Walk ages in these trainers, but I ain't tripped when they losing faith. You know I've been tested without a question. Why they on net doing Q&A? She say I'm a son of a gun, but really miss me like she shooting strays. It's cool, it's great, but it's more fun when you use your waist. Made in a manner like Kano, where they're able you to move in K. And searching for P's on my P's and Q's, man, step up the queue, you can lose your place. And I seen it, bro, and you see I'm the CEO. Teaching my team how to aim for the head and no waist, on no lead, on no knees and toes. Briefings in the board meetings with the G's them, but they been involved. How you ain't end up on street with bro? Only Jesus knows, but still I'm here counting my blessings.
Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. We are at the Radisson in Golden Bay, Malta, and basically I just wrapped up 1 week here with the family, and today I'll be traveling to Frankfurt to meet Leon for the weekend. So I thought, why not vlog it? So that's what we're doing. It's almost 7, just wrapped up reading the daily thoughts as always, and coffee of course. So I'll be going down for breakfast, probably I won't vlog, and then we'll just head our way to the airport. So it's been a beautiful week, very relaxing, very grateful for it. So now we go to Frankfurt. Just ordering an Uber. We're about to head our way to make our way to the airport and catch the flight.
I ain't account all the lessons. Found out in the drought just got man use one hand when I'm counting my brethrens. Can you really doubt I'm a legend? All the hours round the clock that I put in. Do the eyebrow like the rock when they looking. They can smell the shit Nux is cooking.
Gustavo Frank of Los Pollos Hermanos.
Please, just Gus.
Hi, Gus. Gotta tell you, you guys make some killer chicken.
Thank you very much.
So guys, look who it is. This guy had his birthday yesterday, and he's now 12. So he's growing up so fast.
Yeah. To find the best steakhouse in Frankfurt.
I mean, that's pretty possible to be honest. So it should be okay. It should be okay. So we just finished wrapping up breakfast. It's been a good breakfast. And now we're probably just going to go do some shopping. So we'll go as with the photo. Here's the video.
I searched to find love within you. I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within you. I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within you.
Bounty hunter, man.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within you.
And just like that, it's Sunday. So, yesterday, let me just briefly recap what we were up to, because I didn't vlog throughout the whole trip. So, yesterday we went out shopping, we met a friend of ours, and pretty much just had a very good conversation. And then we kind of went for a family barbecue, which obviously I didn't vlog. But then we went out for a drink at Mercedes Reyes cigar bar. It was quite nice, and we called it a night. So today is Sunday, it's almost 12. Leon already left for his flight because his flight is early in the afternoon, and I'm just gonna chill a bit in the city because my flight's later in the evening, which is good. So this week as I was winding down and pretty much like spending time by myself and understanding certain thoughts, I wrote a few thoughts on the usual, and which I would like to share in this vlog, maybe to throw some wisdom or something like that, as this might be helpful for you. So, there's nothing to achieve beyond yourself. There's nothing to achieve beyond yourself. And that's a very powerful sentence, to be honest. Come to realize what a life of peace means, and what a life of actually being being peaceful by yourself means. And I love it. And that's one of the most important realizations that I've come across through this year. And I'm taking more time out of my life to be mindful the way I'm living. So it's always nice to treat yourself to nice things. I mean, I'm in a beautiful 5-star hotel, beautiful room, clean room, and nothing to complain about. But it's also sometimes nice to be grateful for where you've come from, and to basically look back and understand what you have achieved. And I hope that what you have achieved is a byproduct of the work you have put in. So just to look back, appreciate those times where you were just grinding, and pretty much like appreciate it, you know? So it's always a pleasure being able to travel, meeting new friends, and these kinds of things. And that is the one of the most important things that I would recommend everyone to do, as you experience life in a different way. And that's the beauty of it. So I mean, wrapping up this vacation, now I'll spend a few hours by myself relaxing, and sometimes it's good to be in a big city by yourself and just absorb and pretty much like understand how life works. So that's what we'll be doing. If I don't see you soon, as I don't know if I'll vlog, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this little bit of wisdom inspired your day, and let me know what are some of the thoughts, phrases, wisdom that you live by every day. Let me know down in the comments. I will actually go through the comments. So till then, unless I see you soon, till next time.